Hello guys, welcome to Redestakers channel. In this video I am going to show you how to get Adobe Illustrator absolutely free. This will be the easiest way to get Illustrator, I can say that. So watch it carefully. Okay, first of all, go to this link. I have provided this link in the description, so don't worry, just check it. Now just simply click the download button and Adobe Illustrator CC file will be downloading. After downloading this file, you'll get this file here. Okay, now extract this file in your desktop just like this. Okay, here you can see I have already extracted this file, that's why it is showing it, so I'm going to cancel it. Here it is. Here it is. Now just open it. Now click on here. Now this, you have to extract this file on your desktop. Okay, just like this. There it is. I am going to cancel it because I have already extracted this file on my desktop. Okay, so here you can see this is, here it is. Now open Adobe Illustrator file. Now in this section just go to support files. Now go to contents. Now click on Windows. Now just find out Adobe Illustrator file, Adobe Illustrator application, where it is. Here you can see, here it is. Now just click here and click the right button of your mouse and create shortcut. There it is, shortcut. Now just this you have to extract on your desktop. That's it, just like this. I have already extract this file on my desktop. Here you can see, here it is. That's why okay, that's it. Now let's open it. Is it working or not? Just check it. Here you can see Adobe Illustrator is going to open. That means it will work 100%. So in this way you can get Adobe Illustrator for absolutely free. Guys, if this video is useful for you, you can do me a favor. You can hit the like button and you can also hit the red subscribe button. So no more today, and this is Onyx Shovanik and I am signing out. Have a nice day.